Hello beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine where I will be doing 5 minutes of typing and JUnit. Alright, I haven't done that I think yet. So we go to typing.io and oh, where's my 5 minutes timer? Here it is. Okay. Okay, and we started. Hmm. Hmm. Alright, what is the result? 3%, that's pretty nice. I like it. What I don't like is the lines on my monitor which appears. 2%, that is even better. Oh, it's much better. That's much better. Okay, so we'll close this and we want... I probably don't have JUnit. JUnit thing, no I don't have, so we go JUnit in here. I'll stop this timer, I'll go here and JUNIT5, there's a JUNIT4. No, that's just great. I don't know which one we use. New window. Okay, and we'll probably create a new project. So we have a JUnit5. There's user guide and so on. There's a whoa. Okay. For JUnit. Come on. Search. There's something. I saw it. What happened? What is happening? JUnit. Okay, so that is Karma. Cucumber, Jupyter. That might be it. Okay. So 5 is good. So this is 4, so we will go here and we use a guide. Write in tests, run in tests, annotation, and all the other thing. Okay, so do we have a tutorial? Unit 5 tutorial. Yeah, Udemy. This is the way how to do in Java. Interesting. Looks like there are a few. Java Code Geeks. This programming extensions, modes, unit, engine, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. There are some dependencies. Ah, this looks useful actually. Support getting health on Stack Overflow. Okay. Dependency metadata. This guy. Jupyter. Ah, here we go. Bill of materials. Importing dependencies. Unit. Probably this one, I don't know. Well, what the hell? Arc AP Guardian. some platform vintage. So how should I read this? Engine for 3 and 4. There's Jupiter. Okay, we'll start here somewhere. We'll create a project probably. And no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this, and we will say new project, and that will be just a Java. What happened? It's like the other half of my screen is bleeding to this one. That's weird. Well, I want a Java. Java. Herculean JUnit. What is that? JUnit container. Java Enterprise. Bean validation, much more. Okay, say Maven. And then we will configure it somehow. Oh, whoa. Come on, Maven. So those are some archetypes. I don't know any of this. And this will be JUnit playground, and we will put it somewhere else. We'll put it in here's playground, into playground. Yep. Playground J and playground, and here I'll say that. Okay, and finish. We'll open it this window. Okay, so this is the only thing I have here right now. Yeah, enable auto import. It will take a bit. Okay, so what do we have here? Ideas, source code, main, Java, and here we have a tests. Okay, so, and here we have a JUnit playground and nothing in here, nothing else in here. So I guess I will, I don't know, somewhere I will create the file. It will be file progress.md, and here we will say progress tracking. It is JUnit.org. JUnit.org. It's JUnit 5 maybe. Okay. Now we go back in here, go back, and let's do that. We do square brackets, round brackets, maybe not brackets, I don't know. And okay. Continue in. Missing you. Okay, so overview. The goal of this document is to provide comprehensive reference documentation for programmers writing text, extension authors and engine authors, as well as build tool and IDE vendors. This document is also available as PDF download. Okay. Those stripes bothers me a little bit. It's available as PDF. Let's have a look at that. That should be a rather big one. Maybe I can continue in here. So what is JUnit? Unlike previous version of JUnit, JUNIT5 is composed of several different modules from 3 different sub-projects. JUnit Platform, Jupyter, and Vintage. Platform serves as foundation for launching testing framework. On the JVM, it also defines the test engine API for developing a testing framework that runs on the platform. Furthermore, the platform provides a console launcher to launch the platform from the command line and a JUnit4 based runner for running any test engine on the platform in a JUnit4 based environment. First-class support for the JUnit platform also exists in popular IDEs. See IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, NetBeans. I use IntelliJ IDEA, so we can have a look in that. Come on. It's followed. And build tools, see Gradle, Maven. Maven I use and I don't use, but I know I have the icon here as well, and JUnit Jupyter is the combination of new programming model and extension model. For writing tests and extensions in JUnit 5, the Jupyter sub-project provides the test engine for running Jupyter-based tests on the platform. And this is for the older versions, supported 8 and higher. Okay, cool. Getting help. Stack Overflow on or tutorials on Gitter. What is Gitter? Where communities thrive. Interesting. Getting help. Getting started. Downloading JUnit artifacts. Okay, so maybe this was loaded. Okay, this is the PDF. This is about a Maven. This is the community, so not look. Here I'm googling some things. I will stick with that tutorial. Adbots. I did not have disabled that one, and I will not. By page Java code corgis by. And they were talking about IntelliJ somewhere. IntelliJ. Okay, that was that one. IntelliJ supports running tests on the JUnit platform since version 2016. Note, however, that it is recommended to use IDEA 2017 or newer. Will download following jars automatically based on the APR versions used in the project. JUnit Platform Launcher, JUnit Jupyter Engine, and JUnit Vintage Engine. In order to use a different JUnit version, there is dependencies. Only needs to run tests in a version of IntelliJ IDEA that bundles all the versions. So, do I need it or I do not need it? Okay. Dependency metadata. That might be something I need to go to. That will be also to my POM file, I suppose. JUnit dependency artifacts for final. Yeah, those are that, but I think I will have it here and just copy those. That will be it. Writing. Okay, so we have that. Then we have use them. To find out what features are available in JUNIT5 and how to use them, read the corresponding selections of this user guide organized by topic. Writing unit test in Jupyter. Migrating from JUnit4 to JUnit Jupyter. Running test extension. So I think those are those, right? Writing, running, yep. Example projects. Oh wow. There is something. So maybe I can take this. Yeah, well, I'm use 0.6 Maven compiler plugin. JUnit5 Jupyter Starter Maven. That's the only thing. And there's JUnit Jupyter, and it takes this JUnit Jupyter version. That's here. And properties. Okay. I don't know if I want that. maybe I can download it anyways. So I will do well, go back. I cannot go back. So where's the pull request fork? I wanna pull it. I wanna get it. I wanna clone it. Pull request. Mm-hmm. Or I can fork it, and that will be it. Fork. Okay, so I have that. So now I can clone and download it. That. I will go to my playground, open the console, and he will say cd that, and I will paste the git clone. Okay, cool. Now I can open it. Open project. It takes forever now. Okay, I do open. And why am I here? Yeah, projects. I think I put it into study playground, I think. And here will be JUnit samples. New window, please. Are not aligned for some reason. Okay, cool. JUnit samples. Welcome to JUnit samples. So, using Gravy, Gradle, Kotlin, Jupyter, or Maven. What is this? Oh, it is a link here. How interesting. You have all these images. I like it. And then we have this, and here you have this. Oh, wow. Okay, so if I go here, project demonstrates how to execute JUnit Jupyter test using Maven. Please note that this project uses the Maven wrapper, thus to ensure that the correct version of Maven is used, invoke, and... Oh, that is wrapper, not Windows. Okay. Maven wrapper. Okay. Sounds good, makes sense. So for the time being, we will continue in the user guide in here. And we have a here, so we were here in example projects and the features. I'll just go from top to bottom, I think. Example projects, writing tests. The first case, okay, maybe I need to write something. So there was for the IntelliJ thing, this guy. So I will copy this to my JUnit playground POM XML. And I say this dependency, and this should be inside of dependencies. So I say dependencies, yep, and I take you to the end. Now we'll format it a little bit. Now it's resolving the dependencies for me already. That's good. And I think that will be everything from now, because I run out of time. So we will switch to the MD file in here and continue. We will in writing tests. Continue in writing text chapter. Okay, now I don't have the git, so I say git, and that is create, and it will be this guy, yep. And I might as well share it, I think, but first I will create. Okay, I definitely want those guys to be included in my project. And then those two, definitely too. I don't know about the rest, so I will keep it as it is right now. I have a typo. Chapter. Here we go. Save that. Save. Commit. And I don't want any checks right now. This will be in a geo commit like that. And we might as well. Oh, I need to. Okay, so I will say share git. Yeah, and it will be private, so I will share it to myself only. Not really sharing, is it? Well, anyway. We are over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.